Let us learn what Java is and how it works. Java is a programming language that was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in the year 1995. Java provides a certain environment to run the programming languages. These are JSE, JEE and JME. But with the latest release, it has changed its naming conventions to Java SE, Java EE and Java ME, where Java SE stands for Java Standard Edition. What does this Java Standard Edition do? This is the most widely used for developing our programs. It also helps us to deploy portable applications, and it consists of a virtual machine which is nothing but a VM which allows us to execute our Java program. The next one is Java EE. What does this Java EE does? A Java EE stands for Java Enterprise Edition, which is built over Java SE. It helps us, or it provides us, an application or a runtime environment to execute a large scale applications such as multi-tier or which are scalable or reliable applications. The last one is Java ME, where Java ME stands for Java Micro Edition, and this is used to deploy or create or build up an embedded applications. And the summary of this particular video would be where we have understood who has developed this Java, in which year it started, and what are the kind of environment which is available to execute our program.